So in addition to showing each student's level and percent done, there's some personal information in there that you can choose to use or not use. But the main thing the students are going to do with this progress sheet is every day they're going to set a goal. So here's a daily goal for day one, and a student's going to type their goal for what they want to accomplish. When they do, it will turn green, or it should. Come on, project manager, there we go, turning green. I don't give students a grade for doing their goal. I just tell them that they have to do it. Again, this is part of that self-motivating, self-empowering piece where you want students to take responsibility for their own learning. If a student begins class each day by setting a goal, then they're more likely to be focused on achieving that goal. Now, a couple of quick words on goals. I find that my students are not good at setting goals and often need a lot of help with that. Your students, of course, you'll know what's best for them. But my students often set goals that are too ambitious. I'm going to finish the class today. No, there's 555 milestones. You're not going to finish all of those today, but let's set a more realistic goal for what you might actually accomplish in one class period. It can actually lead to some pretty good and useful class conversations as you talk to the students about the purpose of goal setting and how it works. This isn't some abstract goal. This is specific. What are you going to accomplish today? Then, after they put in their goal, they're going to rate the difficulty of that goal. And again, I let students choose. Yeah, this is a level 4 goal. This is only a level 3 goal. It's up to them. This is a level 5 goal. It's ambitious. It's hard. And then at the end of the class, they're going to say whether they achieved today's goal. Just click on that and say, did you achieve it? Nope, I didn't. Turns red. Or, yes, I did. It turns green. Again, I don't give them a grade for that. I make them do it. I give them a grade for whether or not they set the goals, but I'm not particularly interested in what they actually typed there. Don't tell my students that. I just want them to every day be monitoring their own progress through the class by setting a goal and then at the end of the class saying whether they achieved it. I actually find that a lot of students will set their next day's goal at the end of each day. So if they start by setting a goal and ranking how difficult that goal is, at the end of the class, remember, they're going to return to this progress page to say whether or not they achieved their goal, and a lot of them will go ahead and set their goal for the next day. Well, today I got through 6 milestones. Tomorrow I'm going to try for 8, for instance. And that way when they get to class tomorrow and pull that up, they'll see, oh yeah, that's what I was going to do today.